Don't spend the $100 bills that you see in this video because they sold for a lot more money than $100. Trust me, I understand. $100 is a lot of money, but imagine turning a $100 bill into thousands just like the ones in this video. I mean, look at this $100 bill that sold for $4,993.75. This is an older bill from 1928. It's important to know that this is the first year they ever started producing small size paper money. Before 1928, they used large size bills that were much larger than our typically issued small size bills today. What you need to know about this bill that sold for almost $5,000 is the fact that it graded very highly at a 68 ppq. Now, if you have a bill that's from 1928 and it's in high graded condition like this, there's no folds or dents or tears or stains, anything like that, then it's probably worth getting graded like this person did. It allowed them to sell it for nearly $5,000. So this is a cool one. This is a star note from 1928. Now there's going to be some other bills in this video, so don't worry. But this bill sold for $7,200, and here's why. So it's a 58 grade by PMG. That means there is a fold somewhere on the bill. Now the thing with this note is the fact that the stars occur during the printing process when a sheet of bills has an error on it. A quality control manager will strike out the sheet and produce a new sheet of paper money bills. What happened here somehow is when they were producing the new sheet, they added the star at the end of the serial number, but that star somehow got inverted. That's right, guys. The star is upside down. That's the smallest detail that not many people would know what to look for. But now that you know that small detail, if you ever see a star like that, I'd appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button and like button, as it really does help me out. But let's go to the next bill. This is a real $100 bill. I won't spend too much time, but it sold for $223,250. So I thought it was worth bringing up in case you come across one. But again, a 1928 bill. Now you're maybe wondering, why does it look like the seal and serial numbers are gold or yellow? That's because this is a gold certificate, which means back in the day, you could bring this $100 bill to a bank and get equal value in real gold. That's right. You could bring a piece of paper to the bank and receive gold in exchange. Such a cool thing that unfortunately no longer exists. But again, if you guys have a gold certificate from 1928, you're in luck because this one sold for $223,250. So when you're looking at the front of this 1977 $100 bill, you don't see anything really crazy with it. You have no idea why it sold for $2,280, but it's only when you flip the bill over you can see that the back is completely missing. Now, really quick, during the printing process, it's important to know which sides are printed first. So the back of the bill is actually the first print, the front of the bill is the second print, and the overprint, which is the black and green seal and serial numbers, is the third and final print of this bill. So the first print just didn't happen. They got this note graded by PMG. They probably found it somehow and said, hey, this is wrong. They got it graded and they turned $100 into $2,280. Yes, this is a real $100 bill from 1882. And this is a large size paper money gold certificate bill. Just a beautiful piece of our history here. And I wanted to bring it up in case you come across one because this one sold for $822,500 for this $100 bill, large size gold certificate note. Just not much to say. You can see the back of the bill has a very vibrant and orange color. One of my favorite types of bills that's way out of my budget. I wish I could own one day, but there's just simply no way. I can just view from a distance over the computer screen, just like you're looking at it now. If you come across a $100 gold certificate bill like this, you're in for a treat because $822,500 for this one. $16,800 for this 1928 $100 bill that is a star note. Again, not going to spend a ton of time. It's in the uncirculated grade, which means it got a 60 or higher. Remember, the highest grade is 70. And yeah, that's the main reason, is the fact that it is a star note. It graded pretty highly. It is from 1928. And that's why this one sold for $16,800. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.